little guy. Okay, I don't think he's gonna come out just hitting that thing.
I'm trying to scare him out of there, but it's not working, is it?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
But
is that where it was?
you're not Were you hitting the right place?
Oh, I see him. See him. He was right there. I think he just went right back in there. Yes.
Okay.
Yep, that's where he is. No, he
Did you
can't
see
get
him?
out. Yeah.
I saw him.
Did you?
I'm catching all this on video, so.
Oh. Help me get him.
This is so weird. It's creepy.
There he is.
There he is. I saw him. But we might have to move that thing.
That mirror.
Yeah. I see. There's the little bird. We gotta catch him one day or another. Okay. I got enough lookies. But how are we gonna get him out there? He's gonna fly out.
Little guy, if you come out of there, we will save you.
We'll save you!
Take out in the grass. Be all happy with your family again.
This is a bird mystery. We don't know what's happening. There's a bird. There's a bird in the garage. It's creepy. Okay, let's go check on the bird. Okay. Birdie. Oh my gosh! It just
Oh my goodness.
It just randomly started! Now what? How are we gonna get the birdie out now? This just happened. No idea how. Happened that fast. Okay. Sheesh among us. The bird is still back there.
Did you look?
Yeah. Yep, the poor little guy's still back there. Scared. Now because of the rain. What? What just happened?
It was a spider. There he is. Go away.
Oh jeez, I thought you were trying to kill the bird. I'm just like, really? Did he just come out?
No, I got broke in there.
That should be better. Okay.
Oh gosh. And then what?
I don't know, but if he's stuck in there, then how is he gonna get in?
He got stuck. He's just sitting back there hiding.
He's scared of us.
He is scared of us. Very scared. And he's getting very weak.
Yeah, because of all the thing. I'm keeping guard of the bird. And if he crawls in there, then I don't know what to do. This will probably take a while, so I'm just gonna pause this. This is very serious right now. We got a bird situation.
Situation here.
See the little birdie?
Come on.
I heard about a bird situation. What's happening? Oh, it's raining. Oh, I don't like this. No. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? I'm freaking out here. I'm freaking out. Oh.
try something. Got the video going?
Yep. I've got the video going.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got it. Oh!
Oh my gosh! I got that on video. I got it. Whoa, look at the little guy. Look at the little guy. See the little bird?
Get in there.
Get in there.
Get in there.
Okay, now can you get him?
Oh. Oh. Oh my.
Ah! Oh, stop freaking out! The bird won't do anything to you!
Get out! Get out of there! Ah! Oh!
Don't hurt the bird!
That hurt.
You're freaking out, though!
Yeah. Oh, all right. You are. Oh.
Oh my gosh, you just got back in the corner.
I know it.
Oh, this excitement, it's 6 minutes! Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out!
Oh, look poor little guy. Come on. Sorry, I'm scaring you. So sorry.
Where is he?
Oh, oh, stuck in the corner.
Huh?
Oh, shoot. I need to stop.
See the little guy? And then he just went back in.
See, if I could get him in there and then go like this.
Then you could be able to catch him.
Then I could pick that up and get him out.
Oh, he just tweet.
No. Tweet, tweet. Come on.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Get in your bin, tweet, tweet. Please, tweet, tweet.
Get out that way, dummy.
Haley does not like this over there.
No,
She thinks we're crazy.
we are crazy.
Okay.
There it is. No, get out, get out, get out. I know you don't like that, but you're gonna be happy when you get out.
Oh my gosh!
Come on,
Only if you grab the handle when you had him in.
I should have, but why is it scaring me? Birds aren't scary.
I know. It's freaking me out too. Okay, we're gonna.
There it is. No, you can't. Get back there. I know.
Poor little birdie. Oh my gosh, she's getting tortured.
Go.
We caught him. We caught the bird.
Wow, now watch the video. Come here, video. Video and getting free.
There he is. Go free, little guy.
Oh, we did it.
We did it. And my tablet's completely soaked, but
Awesome.
it's worth it. We caught the bird.
Under that little bush. See him right over there? Sitting under the bush.
Sitting on a little bush. Bye.
Ah, we did it.